Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link an external account to Credit Karma. So first off, let's check out the supported external accounts. You have bank accounts. You can link bank accounts from participating banks. There's also credit card accounts. You can link credit card accounts from participating issuers. There's also loan accounts. You can link loan accounts from participating lenders, and there's also investment accounts. You can link investment account from participating brokerage. Now, when it comes to linking external accounts to Credit Karma, what you want to do is to log in to your Credit Karma account, and then click the link account button. And then you want to search for your bank or financial institutions, and then just enter your login credentials for external accounts, and then authorize Credit Karma to access your account, and then just verify that your account has been successfully linked. And that's pretty much how to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.